welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So today I have a really fun quick DIY for you. This is a really great DIY if you want to give it away as a gift or just use it as your own home decor or even as a wedding centerpiece. There's so many different areas this can be used for, and I hope you guys enjoy this DIY. Alright guys, so for this DIY, all I am using are these little picture frames that I got from the Dollar Tree. They are 3.5 by 5 and I love that they had it in silver. That means it's the exact color I was looking for, which means I'm not going to have to paint it. But that being said, you can paint whatever color you want using paint from the Dollar Tree. They also have many different sizes, so this can be done in any size that you want. I chose this size because I thought it was perfect for my coffee table in my living room. I thought that this would be a really great piece to have as my centerpiece, a nice conversation starter, and it could be changed out, which is what I really like. So that's what I'm going to be using. Now, all of these rhinestone stickers, which I'm also going to be using, were actually purchased from the dollar store. So as you can see, they were $2. However, that being said, I'm pretty sure Dollar Tree has these as well. I just personally forgot to go and check when I was doing this, and I grabbed this one here from Dollar Store, and I already had all of these. I included this as part of my Valentine DIY, and if you're looking to do a Valentine's gift, you can use really, really pretty red stones, rhinestones if you prefer, or you can go with just silver. You can also get these silver smaller. For me, I'm going to be using these colors today because this beautiful aqua-like blue is the accent color of my living room. So I thought that would look really pretty along with these silver. So that's all I'm going to be working with today, guys, and some hot glue. So let's get started. So guys, the reason that I am doing this is because they're quite sharp. Now when you do this, you want to make sure that you're hot gluing the metal and not this part, or you will not be able to change out your picture. So make sure you just get the metal. So I'm actually going to take this out to avoid that from happening. Alright guys, so I finished putting all of the rhinestones on. This is how I ended up doing it, as you saw, which I really like the two colors. I also ended up putting some of these ones here, the bigger ones, for the edges. So as you can see, like here for example, you can see the edges. And I didn't want to double this up here because I thought it would be too much. So instead I just added on some of the bigger ones like that. Now, because you made sure to line all of the openings together, it should now be really easy for you to just put in your glass. And you can interchange your pictures whenever you like. I'm just going to put the pictures back in.